Jackson? You need helmet or no?
Oh?
Helmet?
No, it's okay.
It's okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Ayo.
Thank you.
Hah? Belum tahu ini. Belum lihat. Pantai Batu Mejan. Ayo. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, your scooter is really good, huh?
Yeah, thank you.
I love it.
For long trip.
4 days.
Yes, for long trip very good.
2 weeks.
Oh, you stay 2 weeks here?
Yeah.
Okay. Already Canggu? Only Canggu or Kintamani?
Canggu, but we move to Ubud.
Ubud?
Yeah.
Ulu-
First time here.
Uluwatu? No?
Uluwatu, yeah.
Yes.
Tomorrow I go to Nusa Penida.
Oh, it's very good Nusa
Yeah.
Penida. How long is Nusa Penida? How long you stay Nusa Penida?
Just for the day.
Today?
Yeah.
Today no traffic.
A lot of traffic here today?
No.
No traffic?
Yes,
Oh,
because
that's
the
good.
ceremony Hinduist.
Oh, okay.
Galungan.
Yesterday was the ceremony, today too?
Yes, same.
Oh. How long? 1 week?
No, maybe 3 days.
Oh, okay.
More Arsop closed. The Arsop restaurant closed because
Oh, everything is closed, yeah, okay.
Yes. Where are you from?
Paris,
Paris.
yeah.
You alone here?
What you say?
You alone or with
No, with my
friend?
friend, but they go. They already go.
Your
I
boyfriend?
find my friend in Pisa.
Okay. Love Lisa.
Yeah.
Thank you. Kintamani very good view. Kintamani.
Yeah.
Very good.
Get the money?
Yes. Already?
No, not yet. It's really good.
Yes.
What, you have beach or something like that?
No, mountain.
Okay.
Mountain and the lake.
Okay.
Labrisa very good in Sunday market.
Yeah?
Sunday market. Labrisa.
Sunday market?
Yes, Labrisa.
Labrisa? Okay.
Yes, very good. More arsop, more food.
Labrisa. Okay.
Yes, Labrisa.
Sunday.
In Sunday
All
market.
today?
This morning.
Morning, okay.
Yes, morning.
It's finish at what time?
Yes. But now maybe no more.
Oh,
No
okay.
more come to Labrisa. Sunday market very full here.
Okay.
3 day again. Now okay, I drop here, okay?
Yeah, just yeah.
Okay, one moment. Okay, I drop here, okay?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, be careful.
Yeah, thank you. You too.
Here
Drive safe.
come.
See you.
See you. Bye bye.
Bye.